12.2 measures the central tendency. A measure of central tendency is just another name for average. And we have four different measures: mean, median, mode, mid-range. In this short video, we're going to talk about the mean. The mean is represented by X bar. X with a bar over it means mean. If we have four scores, 2, 3, 5, 7, we add it up, divide by 4. This is something you've probably done numerous times before. 17 divided by 4, 4.25. You can do that on a calculator. A more interesting case is if we have a frequency distribution. We have a score of 60. These could be test scores, for instance, and we have three of them: 270s, 180, 490. You could list this out, for instance. If you were to list the scores out, it'd be 360s, 270s, 180, and 490s. I'm not going to continue the list. You could add it all up, but of course, as these frequencies increase, you could have a frequency distribution with 1,000 scores. We probably don't want to list them out. You can find the mean by, first of all, multiplying. 6 times 30, 180. 70 times 2, 140. 80 times 1, 80. 90 times 4, 360. Then you can add these scores up. That's 320, 400, 400, and 360 is 760. Now you can add the frequency row up. 3 and 2 is 5, and 1 is 6, and 4 is 10. Then the mean is 760 divided by 10, which is 76. Make sure the mean is somewhere in the middle. This kind of makes sense. There's 5 above, 5 below. It's 76, not exactly in the middle. It's a little bit skewed to the right because we have 4 90s instead of 3. If this was 2 and 3 and 2 and 3, you could bet this would be 75. We have a symmetric distribution. So that's mean. We'll be back shortly with median.